When was the last time your air conditioner was serviced? The answer should be last year. Don't worry if it's been longer though. If you're looking to stay on track, keep your energy bills low, and keep your air conditioner running longer, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Jared with Fire and Ice. We have performed maintenance on thousands of air conditioners across Central Ohio. In this video, we'll answer the most frequently asked questions regarding tune-ups and maintenance for your air conditioner, such as, what is an air conditioner tune-up? Why does my air conditioner need maintenance? Who needs an air conditioner tune-up? How much does a tune-up cost? And how do I schedule a tune-up for my air conditioner? An air conditioner tune-up is the maintenance done on your air conditioner, much like getting your tires rotated or oil changed on your car. This maintenance is performed on your air conditioner to ensure that it operates as it should and detect any problems before they become a bigger, more expensive problem. A regularly maintained air conditioner will keep it running longer, bolster its efficiency, lower energy bills, and is needed to maintain the manufacturer's warranty. During an air conditioner's maintenance, a number of things are done. We make sure that the system is running safely, check the air filter, flush the condensate drain, clean the outdoor condenser coil, check the blower motor, all electrical readings, and a lot more. Doing annual maintenance on your air conditioner is like doing routine maintenance on your car. Without it, your air conditioner will begin to wear down and be less efficient, costing you more money. An air conditioner tune-up will keep your AC system running as long as it can and save you money along the way. Energy experts have found that air conditioners' efficiency drops by 10% without maintenance every year. If you notice any issues such as puddles near your furnace, weak airflow from the vents, vibrations or other noises, unusual odors such as mustiness or electrical smells, you may be looking at a larger issue that needs repairs. We recommend everyone have their air conditioner tuned up once a year to make sure that everything is working as it should. Most people like to have their maintenance performed pre-season. However, it can be done any time of the year. The important thing is that your air conditioner is maintained once a year. If you recently had an air conditioner installed, we recommend having maintenance done after the first year. Even though it's new, there are many things that will affect the operation of the system and the comfort of your home. The refrigerant charge, the airflow, the electrical components and wiring. Annual maintenance will ensure that the system is operating to the best of its ability. At Fire and Ice, our basic tune-up starts at $119, and we are able to provide maintenance on any air conditioner regardless of make or model, even on systems we haven't installed. If you're looking to save more money while protecting your investment, we also offer a maintenance agreement. For a smaller monthly payment, you will be able to get priority status, longer warranties on repairs, discounts on accessories and equipment, and much more. Scheduling maintenance for your air conditioner is simple. Either give us a call or visit our website and complete the request for service form. Once we receive your request, we will give you a call to schedule your service within 24 hours. If you are already set up on one of our maintenance agreement plans, you can rest easy. We will contact you when it's time to schedule your tune-up. As we all know, Ohio's weather can get uncomfortable quickly in the peak of the summer. We notice it even more when our air conditioner stops working. Keep your air conditioner running as it should with routine maintenance. If you want more information on cooling systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to hit subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to making your day even better.